Introducing the Dwelle Changing Bag, a practical and durable choice for your everyday routine. It comes with multiple sets of pockets, carefully designed to help you organize and pack everything you might need for the day. Its features include a wet pouch pocket, which is waterproof, designed for storing wet clothes and nappies, a cooler side pocket on one side, and a wet wipe pocket on the other. The front pocket contains one insulated cube and one mesh cube. The overall capacity of the bag is spacious. It comes with a changing mat, a must-have accessory. Secure shoulder and stroller straps are a given. One of the best features of the bag is a bonus rain cover, perfect for keeping everything dry and safe during unexpected weather conditions you might find yourself in. While you're on the go, it's good to have ease of access, so just use the stroller straps to safely hang the bag right in front of you. The Dwelle Changing Bag, an accessory every mom loves and needs.